Hi, this is Chris, and I am opening my Deriums CCG crate. This is the first crate that I have ever ordered, so I'm stoked. And it was like 2 or 3 weeks late, which sucked, but I'm hoping it's worth it. That's the crate. We're getting ready to open it. I hear dice. Here's the dice I was talking about, which is very good because I've got a deck that's very, very counter heavy, so it'll be useful. Here is our signed Deriums CCG mat. Stoked about that because I don't actually have a player's mat, so I was very much looking forward to that. And then, ooh, here we go. We got a 2012 booster battle pack. That's cool. And we've got some Ultra Pro sleeves. These look really nice. Those are definitely better than the current sleeves that I have on one of my decks, so I will definitely be upgrading to these. And then we got a very honest sticker. And then we got some tokens. We've got a custom monk token and a couple of manifest tokens. And then we've got a max protection deck box. Looks nice. And then some booster packs. So what do you say we just go ahead and crack open the booster packs? One's from Conspiracy, the other 3 are from Fate Reforged. I don't know what the good cards are from the respective sets other than really Ugin from Fate Reforged, so I have no idea. We're going to skip straight to the rare. Holy crap, Mirari's Wake. I know that's good because I've got 4 of them, and I love that freaking card. It's not overly expensive, but it's an awesome freaking card, and it's a different art than what I have. Well, that's an interesting little card. This would be good on an Ice-Crown Scepter. Rapid Vigor. Regenerate each creature you control. That's interesting. Alright, on to the Fates Reforged deck, or boosters. If I get an Ugin, I'll shit bricks. Temur War Shaman. Seems like an okay card. Shockmaw Dragon. I like that one. Let's see what else we get. And Crux of Fate. I think I have a couple of those. It's not a bad card. Destroy all dragons or all non-dragons. Last one. Here's hoping there's an Ugin. Survey says, Shamanic Revelation. I've got this one. I just got it recently, actually. Draw a card for each creature you control, and Ferocious. You gain 4 life for each creature you control with power 4 or greater. It's not a bad card. So, that's it.